Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's tutorial, I will show you a unique and profitable strategy that allows complete beginners to earn a few $100 to making thousands of dollars monthly. This underground method involves leveraging Kobo and AI technology to create and sell books without any experience or investment. And the most pressing issue some persons face with KDP Select is the recently launched Amazon AI, which flags and block people's accounts for no reason. And this can be very disturbing as an author concerning the time and money you invest in a book, be it low content, medium content, or even high content books. As an author, you want to be able to publish your books without the fear of getting banned or losing your money. So whatever your challenge with Amazon KDP is, I have thought it wise to share this website with you guys in the hope that you too can start making money online. And I hope that you will find this tutorial super helpful. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop a new video, okay? So without much say, let's get started. As earlier said, this idea is about leveraging Kobo and AI to create and sell ebooks and audiobooks. And I said ebooks because there are no paperback options here, unlike Amazon KDP. So as a beginner, you might want to be skeptical about selling ebooks, but the truth is you can make so much money selling ebook in any genre, which could be fiction or non-fiction, okay? So selling ebooks can be an additional stream of income for you, and if you love to write and publish consistently, you're sure to make money from this website. And the most interesting thing is that your ebook can be converted into an audiobook right on this platform and earn double money. Now, head over to your browser and search for kobo.com. Alternatively, click on the link in my description box and you'll be brought up to this interface. And yes, over here it says ebooks, audiobooks. But can I tell you this? You don't have to write a single line, okay? The AI will do the writing process for you, and all you need to do is just upload the book to Kobo, and Kobo will distribute these books to about 6 million users, according to its traffic information from SimilarWeb. This means that we have 6 million users or audience members who can potentially buy our books, and then we can make tons of money. As you can see, this is a very lucrative business model because now we have Kobo as a distributor. Kobo will actually spread out our books to its users to buy them while AI writes the books for us, so we don't have to do anything. Getting started is quite easy, and I will explain this step by step. Now, some of you might be wondering and saying things like, doesn't it take time to rank these books on Kobo? And wouldn't Kobo show books based on ranking traffic and all of that? Well, yes and no, and let me explain, okay? I'm going to show you a simple trick so you can rank as fast as possible on Kobo, and that is you writing books based on trends. I mean, for you to be very efficient and get ranked easily, you can utilize Google Trends or any Amazon KDP tools to identify topics that are currently trending. And by focusing on subjects that are popular, you stand a chance of your book gaining traction. For instance, if a topic like Notion software is trending, all you need to do is instruct the AI to craft a book on how to use the software, which you can sell for like $5, $10, or even $14, okay? And all you need is just 1% out of these 6 million people to buy your book just for $5, or maybe a tiny fraction of 1%, and guess how much money you will be making? You do the math. This is you making from a few hundred to thousands of dollars per month, let's say potentially, okay? Because obviously nothing is guaranteed. This is online marketing, so we can't guarantee, but what I can guarantee is that this is a working system, plus it is very lucrative, and if you set it up and be patient, you can be making some good money. So there are several kinds of books out there. You can always write in both fiction and non-fiction. Just focus on the trend and you'll be fine. So I will assume that you already have a topic, and you can check out some of my videos where I walk you through how to use ChatGPT to create a complete ebook. I prefer you write the ChatGPT 4.0, but this model is the most recent and its output is amazing. Now to access ChatGPT, just type in this URL and you'll be brought up to this interface. Then all you need to do is instruct the AI to write a book on the chosen topic, And by providing the AI with guidelines such as the desired length of content, the writing style, and all of that, you can quickly generate a professional book without any manual output. So use this prompt for your ebook creation. I'll leave the prompt in my description box for easy access. Alternatively, you can use a PLR website. And what does PLR stands for? It's private label rights. So basically, PLR content is content you can get for free or paid and then change it and add your company's branding before making it available in the marketplace for profit. There are quite a number of PLR websites, but among all, I find this super helpful because the ebooks are recent and trending books. So come to this website. It is free to join. All you need to do is browse through their plethora of books and choose the book in your niche. And it says here, everything is 100% free, okay? And over here, it says, these are free gifts for you. Use them or download them or sell them or gift free to anyone. I will just search for a book in my niche to download. You can use the search bar to search for your desired ebook. I'm going to click on the course button, then click on ebook, and will be brought up to this interface. As you can see, there are a lot of ebooks to download here. These are trending topics that people want to learn about. And all of these books were crafted by professionals. So what it means is you are getting a premium book for free. So I am just going to randomly choose and download a book. So once you download the book, then you can use tools like Canva to make any necessary edits and enhance the book's presentation before publishing the final version. And it is always essential to add images to your ebook if need be. This will make it more professional. However, that depends on the kind of book you have written or downloaded. So I love to review my PLR books and add any necessary images or graphics just to ensure that the ebook is unique to me, and also change the book cover. But it's okay if you can't design a book cover. Just use the ready-made book cover so that you won't screw up the process. Ensure you read through it before you proceed. So this is our ebook, and I will do a little editing using Canva, and this will be changing the font matter and back matter, and I will also add images and graphics, so watch me while I make these changes. First, come over here and resize the ebook to 8.5 by 11 inches. This is the common size for ebooks, okay? Now, I will add images in all sections according to the subject of the chapter, simply by using the element feature, and then I will also work on the interior in general, so feel free to customize to your fit. Now, once you are done editing, the next thing is to export it as a PDF file. So here is my ebook, and it was all designed here on Canva. As you can see, my ebook is all about financial mindset. So it was essential that I added some images. And if you want to learn how I made this ebook, I already made a video tutorial showing you this. So click on the video showing up here and you'll be fine. And the next thing you want to do is upload and sell on Kobo. So if you look over here, this is kobo.com. Right here, I'm in the best selling and popular ebook section. And as you can see, there are different categories and genres here. Some persons are selling for $1.99, some are selling for $15.19, and some even sell as much as $21.89 for an ebook. And this should give you an understanding of how to price your ebook. Don't go too low to avoid being cheap, and don't go too expensive. So, to get started, don't click on the Create an Account button. Rather, scroll down and click on Self-Publish, then proceed with the Get Started button. Now, you are required to sign in with your preferred sign-up method. Upon signing up, you will be brought up to this interface to confirm your email address. Check your email inbox and verify it, and you have only 2 steps left to start making money. Now, fill out your personal information and your account number for payment. The sign-up process is similar to Amazon KDP, so just follow the on-screen prompt. And once you are done, you will be redirected to the dashboard, and of course you aren't going to see any earnings here because the account is brand new. So to publish your ebook, just click on the ebook button over here. The upload process is less rigorous, unlike Amazon KDP, since it is just an ebook we are publishing. So keep in mind that Kobo takes 30% off your earnings, but in return, they promote your book to their intensive user base, potentially reaching thousands of potential buyers, okay? And if you ask me, this is a fair game because the traffic is already there. So ensure you follow the steps in the guide and start uploading books. The more books you upload, the better chance you have to hit one viral book, and you will make a big chunk of money. So don't just create one book, create multiple books and start uploading them into different genres, okay? And make sure you read the books that the AI creates for you, or if it was gotten from a PLR website, because people are going to read this book. So you have to do some due diligence, do research online, and make sure you provide real value. Because if you do, people will come back for more, and if your ebook is crappy, they're never going to buy from you again. And the fact is, they're going to leave you with a terrible review, and this can hurt your business. So let me know if you will be publishing on kobo.com, and if you have other questions, you can let me know in the comment section. Plus, if you find this super helpful, please click on the like button, and if you did not, well, you know what? Click on the subscribe button. Okay, so I guess I will see you in my next video. Do have a great day.